Yeah. Yeah. Sino? Yeah. Hello guys, so for today I'm going to train with a varsity team. They are a football team here in Laguna, so they are a college team, and they're preparing for ang Liga. And as for me, recently after my injury, I'm only playing in open play, so the environment is chill. But now I want to play in a more competitive setting, so I need to join tournaments and I need to join team trainings of varsity teams. So yeah, trying to get in shape, trying to get used to tougher competition. So now I'm going to travel and see you there.
Right lagi tayo.
Okay.
Hanggang sa dulo na first marker muna, first marker. Pagka straight to sa marker, back, tapos dito magpapahinga. Okay? Ready? Start! Left! Doon kami nakaharap ko siya.
Ikaw mag-highlights. Yeah. Ayan, nakaharap ako dito para maayos yung video mo. Yeah. Yeah. Open. Yeah. Yeah. Sino? Check pa lang. Ay. Okay, gets.
Tuloy-tuloy ba? Si Maria.
Ay. Mapagol pa. Napanisa ka dun ah. Kala ko. Walang kaliwa eh. Yan. Ang hina. Yan. Bon, paramihan ng goal.
Dito, cross dito.
Sali ka, paramihan ng goal.
Ay, salat pa.
Ay, ay, ay. Magaling, magaling.
Kita mo, mas magabasi ka din. Lagi nagabasi.
Oh, yan, tinasa.
Edit!
Ah!
Hoy, huwag kayo sa gitna dumaan.
Beng, beng. Ganda. Ayan.
Glenn. Ano ka, Glenn?
An? Sheesh! Ah!
Chulo ah.
Alis dyan siya. Sheesh!
Nasa cross ah.
Yeah. Naka-goal din. Yeah. Yun. Gipan ako ng goal dito. Ayaw niya pumila dito eh. Yeah. Ah, wala yung keeper. Sheesh. Ah.
Nice one.
Ay, sayang.
Ayos ka. Ayos ka. Ayan, nakagol ka naman.
Yan.
Kuso. Iron na no?
Ah. Yan na. Yan na. Ay. Tapusin mo na. Yan. Galing.
Board! Board!